Hey everyone, Andrea from King of Automation here, and today I want to show you an AI agent that repurposes any video content into blog posts and social media content material like X, LinkedIn, Instagram carousels, and Facebook. So how does this work? It's powered by Supadata, a very useful API node, which gives us 100 calls to repurpose 100 videos per month for free. So this is great. And it retrieves knowledge from a Notion database or any RAG vector system that you would like. It then processes the blog with AI and it stores it into an Airtable record along with the blog cover picture. From there, we are going to post it on our website, which could be fully automated if you have WordPress or any CMS that provides API access. In this case, I built this system for a client that had website on Hostinger website builder, which does not provide API access. So we had to find a way around this. And the method that I came out with is to manually copy and paste the HTML of the blog into his website and then run a second system which scrapes the RSS feed and then automatically repurposes the content. As we can see here, this is the second part of our AI agent. So let's move out from the backend and get into the practical thing. Let's say we have this YouTube video that we want to create content from. All we need to do is get the shareable link and paste it on Telegram because it's a very handy interface to interact with the AI agent. It could have been WhatsApp, Slack, really anything that you like to make the interaction between you and your agent easier. So the command that we've chosen for this is blog and the YouTube link. The agent is going to recognize this pattern and then transcript the YouTube video and repurpose the transcript into a relevant blog that we can post on your website, on Medium, and then from there into every other platform. So let's check our Airtable records, which is where the blog is going to be stored. So here we can see it. This is today's date, and this is the generated blog post. We have title, meta description, and then here's the HTML that I am going to copy and paste into a live editor just to show you guys. And there we go. This is a comprehensive blog post with affiliate links, internal links, and call to action. You can add images, you can customize it as you wish, but the really cool thing about this system is that it has been prompt engineered to achieve 0% AI detect on. Let's give it a try. I'm going to copy it in GPT-0 and scan it just to show you guys. So we can see highly confident this text is entirely human, 91%. Let's give it another run on this tool here, Killbot. By the way, these are just the most popular AI detection tools, and this one scored 100% human written. It's pretty impressive. For those of you that are using Hostinger website builder, this is the way to do it. You just go into your blog section, paste the HTML that we've just generated, and simply copy and paste your title and your meta description in here, and then you hit publish. That's it. It's a couple manual clicks. It is not fully automated, but this is the only way to do it on Hostinger. Any other CMS you're using, then you can run this system autonomously. All right, once your blog post is ready and has been posted, all you need to do is go back to Telegram and write this command that we have chosen for this functionality, which is /medium. And this will trigger the other branch of the AI agent, which will then scrape our Hostinger website and repurpose the content to other platforms. We're going to see the results, as always, on Airtable. We can see that we just generated a tweet, Instagram posts, Facebook, and LinkedIn with the dates of today. Let's check into the approval section of this custom Airtable that we built to monitor our social media posting. This, by the way, was the blog post that we previously generated. This was the blog cover, which is, I'd say, quite good considering that so it's representative of it. Pretty neat. And this is our X or Twitter post. For this specific template, we've chosen to incorporate the Medium link of the blog post inside the Twitter so that we can promote our Medium profile as well and generate interest by pointing people toward our Medium link. You can also generate a full thread by itself, but this is something that I'll show you in a separate video. Let's check out our Instagram carousel. This is very interesting. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slides that are all part of a single Instagram post. And if you check the text here, it is perfectly written and spaced correctly. I want to underline that this took quite a long time to figure out the prompt engineering in order to have the AI create these slides for you, which are pretty good looking. And here's the caption for it with the call to action. And let's have a look now at our Facebook post. This one is a different style of graphic that we chose from Facebook. And here's the Facebook post. Now I want to show you LinkedIn, which is a contrarian take, I believe, as of style. These are all specifically built to follow viral templates for social medias that are currently performing well. There is an AI research agent which is checking what's going viral, what is performing better around social media platforms for a specific industry, and then it prompts the AI agent in charge of creating the content which strategy to follow. Right, now that we've checked our content and we've figured out that we like it, all we need to do is change it to scheduled and select the day that we want this to be scheduled for. Let's just say today. And we are going to do the same for each. If you guys do not think that you need to review the content because you realize that the agent is pretty good and it usually get it right at the first shot, then you can also default the schedule status so that it will run on its own. Right, so Instagram last, there we go. Now we move into a different AI agent, which is this one here that fetches Airtable records and checks for the status. This one is scheduled to run every day at 9 p.m., but you can run it every 15 minutes. You can run it on demand. It's totally up to you. As I said before, this system can be 100% automated. Right now, I'm just showing you manually how to start each section of it so that you have a little bit more of control on what is being published. Let's run it manually this time. And you can see that he's posting with our API nodes into each social media page. By the way, if you were wondering how to post threads on X after the X API got deprecated by make.com, I've seen many people have moved into N8N, but if you're trying to get this done within Make, this is the way to do it in 2025. And if you need help with this, just let me know and I can set this up for you. It can support media attachments as well, and it's a full thread published on its own up to, I don't know, 10 comments, anything that you feel like it would be good enough. Thank you for watching these, and I'll see you in the next one.